My tooth hurts very much.
Your cheek is big. I feel worried. We must go dentist now. No delay.
No, Mommy. Dentist is very scary.
Hello, Leo. I am Doctor. Nice meet you.
Oh, no. Light is too bright for me.
I see big hole. This is cavity problem. Let me tell story about sugar bugs. Bugs wake up and see sweet candy. Tooth feels pain and starts to cry. Bugs go inside and hurt it more.
Mommy, my tooth hurts very much.
Oh no, Leo. What happened to you? Your cheek is big. I feel worried.
My tooth hurts like fire inside.
We must go dentist now. No delay.
No, Mommy. Dentist is very scary.
It'll be okay, Leo. We'll go together.
That's right, sweetheart. We'll be with you.
Be brave, Leo. We are with you.
I feel scared. Pain is very strong.
We are here to help you.
Daddy, I hear strange noise. What is that?
It is okay, Leo. Just a machine sound.
Leo, doctor is calling. We go inside now. Okay, Mommy. I try to be brave.
Hello, Leo. I am Doctor. Nice meet you.
Hello, doctor. I feel a little scared now.
Don't worry, Leo. We'll take good care of you.
Please sit here. This chair is very safe.
Wow, this chair is big. I feel small. Oh no, light is too bright for me.
Do not worry. I make it better. Open your mouth. I just want look.
Please do not touch. It hurts very much.
Just a little look. You'll be okay. I see big hole. This is cavity problem. We must fix it now. Do not worry. Leo, did you eat candy last night?
Maybe little candy. I forgot to brush.
Leo, go brush teeth before you sleep loud. I am tired, Mommy. I do it tomorrow. All right, but remember for tomorrow.
Candy without brushing makes holes in teeth.
Oh no, I understand now. It is bad.
Let me tell story about sugar bugs. They live in mouth and love candy.
Bugs wake up and see sweet candy. They eat sugar and start big party. Bugs eat sugar and dance on teeth. They make mess and laugh very loud.
Bugs start digging and break white tooth. They make hole deeper and deeper inside. Tooth feels pain and starts to cry. Bugs go inside and hurt it more.
Oh no, doctor. Are bugs inside now?
Do not worry. We will stop them today. Sit still, Leo. I clean bugs now.
Okay, doctor. I am ready now.
I clean your tooth. No pain for you.
I feel scared, but I stay very still.
Good job, Leo. You are very brave boy. Cleaning is almost done. Stay calm now. I fill the hole. Your tooth strong again. Almost finished. Just a little more time. All done, Leo. You can close mouth now.
Really? It is finished already so fast? Wow, no pain now. I feel very happy.
See, Leo. Doctor helped you feel better.
Brush teeth every day, morning and night.
Yes, doctor. I will brush every day now.
I am proud of you. You were very brave.
Thank you, Mommy. I am not scared now.
You are strong, boy. I am very proud.
Thank you, Daddy. I feel strong now.
Do not eat too much candy every day. Always brush your teeth to keep them clean.
I feel happy now. No pain in tooth. Good job, Leo. You are healthy again. Leo, brush your teeth now before sleep.
Yes, Mommy. I will brush carefully now. I brush my teeth every day and night. My teeth are clean and feel very good.
Good night, Leo.
You did very good today. Good night, Mommy. I feel happy and calm. Go away, Bugs! My teeth are clean now! I brush every day. You cannot stay.
Good morning, Leo. How is your tooth now? Good morning, Mommy. No pain. I feel great.
Good boy, Leo. You brush teeth every day.
Yes, Daddy. I keep my teeth clean now.
Eat healthy food, not too much candy.
Yes, Mommy. I eat good food now. I will never forget brushing teeth every day.
Very good, Leo. That makes your teeth strong.
Brush your teeth every day. Keep them clean. Do not eat too much candy. Stay healthy.
Do you want candy, Leo? Sweet and tasty.
No, Mommy. Too much candy is bad.
That's very smart of you, Leo.
Eat apple, Leo. It is good for teeth.
Thank you, Daddy. I like healthy food. I feel strong and happy. No more pain. Yes, Leo, you are healthy and strong now. Brush teeth every day, morning and night. Stay healthy and smile big every day.